Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can view your Snapchat recap on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to view your Snapchat recap on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and here you're going to search for BlueStacks 5. You're going to go into this link from bluestacks.com. You're going to download BlueStacks. So download and install BlueStacks on your computer. And once you're done downloading and installing it, you're going to open it up. And when you open it up, you're going to come here, you're going to search for Snapchat. You're going to click onto Snapchat then. And here you're going to click onto install from BlueStacks store. And then Snapchat will start downloading on your computer. So just wait for it to complete downloading. And once it's done downloading, it will start installing on your computer. So wait for it to complete installing. And once it's done installing, just click launch on here. And when you click launch, Snapchat will launch on your computer. Click continue then. Now you can go ahead and log in with your Snapchat account. And once you log in with your account, then you'll be able to go into your chat messages and you'll be able to check your Snapchat recap on your computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.